Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a flight test video of the Reebot UniDrone E900. The Reebot UniDrone E900 is an exceptional industrial-grade multifunctional drone platform designed to provide comprehensive and systematic aerial solutions across various industries. It integrates high compatibility, scalability, and outstanding stability, featuring an innovative foldable design, a powerful propulsion system, an advanced intelligent battery system, and broad payload compatibility. These features make it an ideal choice for a wide range of industrial applications, offering reliable support for aerial operations and empowering drone enterprises worldwide to fully unlock their potential and maximize value. The UniDrone E900 has a simple structure and can be quickly deployed. It combines excellent stability with reduced transport volume, making it easier to handle and reposition. This design is particularly suited for missions requiring rapid response. Equipped with forward obstacle avoidance, it can detect and avoid obstacles in its flight path in real time, greatly enhancing flight safety. Remember to remove the protective film before flying. The drone is easy to operate and supports one-touch takeoff. Press the three-position switch in the upper left to switch to guided mode. Tap the takeoff icon. Pull the throttle stick all the way down. Then hold the icon and release the throttle stick. The drone will take off automatically. The UniDrone E900 features an autopilot system powered by an H7 dual precision floating point processor. It offers stable flight and excellent position holding without side-to-side drift. It includes built-in dual IMU redundancy and an internal damping structure for highly reliable flight performance. Even when making aggressive stick movements, it maintains impressive stability. Its rapid braking capability also greatly enhances operational safety. The drone supports one-touch landing. Simply tap the landing icon, and the drone will descend vertically on the spot. This feature helps handle emergencies effectively during flight. It also supports one-touch return to home. The UniDrone E900 includes high-precision positioning across all major systems and frequencies, including Beidou, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. It is equipped with an industrial-grade RL30-100 magnetometer and dual-antenna directional positioning, offering excellent anti-interference performance even in complex electromagnetic environments. This allows for safe and precise return to the takeoff point. Highly adaptable and flexible in expansion, the UniDrone E900 is suitable for a variety of applications and allows the mounting of different devices. Here we've paired it with the CZR30 gimbal camera, which features 30x optical zoom, 180x hybrid zoom, a 2.7-inch Sony CMOS sensor, 4K Ultra HD photo and video recording, and 540-degree Y-axis rotation. The UniDrone E900 comes with a built-in AI tracking module with a processing capacity of up to 10 TOPS at INT8. It supports intelligent recognition and tracking of various objects, including humans, license plates, and insulators, and features smart following capabilities. This boosts mission efficiency and allows the drone to adapt to a variety of operational needs. Thanks to the ZR30 zoom capabilities, the UniDrone E900 can monitor long-distance operations, providing flexible and efficient mission execution. That concludes today's flight test of the Reebot UniDrone E900. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the content or would like us to go into more detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.